In previous class, I discussed about electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. One important example of electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol is nitration of phenol. When phenol reacts with the dilute nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid, form orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Did you remember the mechanism of this reaction? The mechanism of nitration of phenol clearly explained in the previous section. Now I am going to discuss about the separation of ortho and paranitrophenol from the product mixture. How to separate orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol from this product mixture. Separation of ortho and paranitrophenol. We know that when phenol treated with the dilute nitric acid and sulfuric acid produce a mixture of ortho and paranitrophenol. From this mixture, we can separate ortho and paranitrophenol by using steam distillation process. The boiling point of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol are different due to the difference in the hydrogen bonding. And that difference in boiling point can be used for separation by using distillation method. Now let's discuss why the boiling point is different. In orthonitrophenol, OH group and NO2 group are held together by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. In OH, O is del negative, H is del positive. In NO2, this is the actual structure of NO2, N double bond O, N single bond O. In NO2, N is del positive, O is del negative. So there is an attraction between H and O. So the attraction happened within the molecule. Okay, the hydrogen bonding occurred within the molecule. So the hydrogen bonding is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And this molecule have no connection with the next orthonitrophenol. Okay, there is no hydrogen bonding between molecule. Hydrogen bonding is within the molecule. So what about the boiling point? Boiling point is low because orthonitrophenol can easily change into vapor. Why? Because there is no connection between molecules. But in paranitrophenol, there is a hydrogen bonding between molecules. So the hydrogen bonding is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let's see here. NO2 group of 1 nitrophenol is bonded with the OH group of next nitrophenol. NO del negative. Then H is del positive here. And it make an attraction. That attraction is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So here the bond between molecule is strong. Okay, then the conversion of paranitrophenol to vapor need more heat. Okay, for breaking this bond need more heat. So the boiling point of paranitrophenol is high. So this difference in boiling point can be used for separation. Take the mixture, ortho and paranitrophenol mixture in a distillation flask. Take in a distillation flask, ortho and para. Okay, then connect with a condenser and here the receiver. When you heat the mixture, out of ortho and para, which compound will form vapor first? Yes, ortho. Ortho will form vapor because in orthonitrophenol, only intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present. There is no bonding between molecules. So orthonitrophenol need only less amount of energy to convert into vapor. So orthonitrophenol will easily form vapor and that vapor will condense and the liquid we can collect in the receiver. But paranitrophenol need more heat due to the strong bond between molecules. So paranitrophenol will form vapor after ortho. Okay, or paranitrophenol can collect only after ortho. So this difference in bonding, the difference in hydrogen bonding and boiling point makes separation easier. Okay, by using steam distillation. Okay. if we are using concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid for nitration instead of ortho and para nitrophenol, we will get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. The common name of this compound is picric acid. Okay, and the common name is very important. Here actually multiple substitution is taking place. HNO3, 3 moles of HNO3 is reacting together. 3 HNO3 we can write like this: OH, NO2, OH, NO2, then OH, NO2. Okay, 3 electrophiles, NO2 plus. Then H from 2 ortho position removed in the form of water, H2O. Okay, and one H from para position also removed in the form of water, so minus 3H2O. Then NO2 plus will attach on para and ortho position, produce 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Here you can expect an important question. Okay, question is this: how to convert phenol to picric acid? Phenol to picric acid. Clear? Here the yield of picric acid, okay, the yield of picric acid is very low during this reaction. So there is one more method for preparing picric acid. Let's see that steps. The yield of picric acid formed from the direct nitration of phenol is very less. So nowadays picric acid is prepared by treating phenol first with the constant sulfuric acid, then it converts into phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid, and then with the concentrated nitric acid produce picric acid. Okay, and the picric acid produced here is having high yield. So nowadays this method is used for making picric acid instead of direct nitration of phenol.